Browning edges on avocado tree leaves. What's the cause and what's the treatment? In this video, we're going to talk about it. G'day avocado enthusiasts. Why are your avocado tree's leaves browning? Well, there are a few answers depending on what the actual problem is. Browning edges are a sign that something isn't right with your plant. So, well done on identifying it as a problem and coming to this video to try and work it out. We're going to try and solve your problems today. First, why do the edges of leaves turn brown? Well, they turn brown due to cells around the leaf dying off. This is mostly because it hasn't been able to deliver enough water to it. If the plant can't deliver enough water, the cells will die. And there are a few reasons why it might not be able to get enough water to it, which I'll get into shortly. But why is it the edges? Well, the edges are generally the first to die off. It's because of the surface area of the leaf. There's more surface area around the edges, so they're more susceptible to drying out, and will do so first. Depending on the size of the problem, it might just be the edges that turn brown and then it'll stop, or it might continue until the whole leaf is dead. But what causes the plant to not be able to deliver enough water to the leaves? Well, I'll start with what isn't wrong with this particular plant, which is improper watering. I use improper watering as a phrase because the signs of a plant being overwatered and underwatered are actually very similar. First, if it gets too dry. If the soil dries out and it can't draw any more water in, the plant will droop, and if it continues, the cells will start dying off. And again, it starts doing this around the edges because they are the first to go because of the surface area. Then surprisingly, this is actually a similar story to if it gets too wet. Avocado trees are super susceptible to root rot. If you overwater your tree, or if it's in poorly draining potting media or a poorly draining pot, the water is going to sit around the roots for too long. And over time, the dissolved oxygen in the water evaporates into the atmosphere, which causes a damp, low oxygen environment, which allows certain organisms to grow. Fungus and sometimes algae. These organisms then feed on the roots or stops the roots being able to take water and oxygen in, and it will eventually kill the roots. Dead roots can't take in any water, so the leaves won't get any water and they will brown and then die. I've made a few videos about how to properly water your avocado tree and how to try and save it from root rot if that's something that you're facing. Prevention is better than a cure, so if you're able to keep your avocado tree in an appropriate sized pot that is well draining, in well draining soil, and you only water it when it is dry, and I've made videos about that, then you're going to be doing some good things for your tree and it's probably going to do well. But what if your avocado tree is properly watered? I know this one actually is, but there's another clue to what's going on with its browning leaves. Check out the color of the leaves. With avocado trees, I expect healthy leaves to be a dark green color and a uniform color. I'm seeing lots of light green veins in this tree, and this indicates not a water problem, but a nutrition problem. Lack of nutrients like nitrogen can cause signs like this. The remedy is to ensure that it gets enough nutritional fertilizer. Truth be told, I've been a bit slack with this one, and I don't think I fed it over autumn or winter here, and as a result, it's a bit nutritionally deficient. To remedy this, I need to get it on a good fertilizing regime. I made a video about this, but you could use a slow release fertilizer, but as I'm keeping this one indoors and bottom watering it, I'll use a liquid fertilizer that I can mix into the sink when I water. I won't do this every time I water because you can have too much of a good thing, and I don't want a buildup of salts that can happen through too much fertilizer. But I will fertilize it every couple of weeks, especially when it's putting out new growth. And this should help this tree out. The old leaves won't benefit too much from this. The light green ones will stay the same, but it will help the newer leaves and it won't hurt the old ones. So that's what I'm going to do. I should mention that if you sort your tree out, the brown edges won't heal. It's not like our skin. Once part of a leaf is damaged, it will remain damaged. But you can set yourself up well for future growth by ensuring good watering practice and a good fertilizing routine. I should also mention that if you live in a place with very low humidity, that may also cause browning edges. Avocados like to be in a semi-tropical or tropical environment. Most varieties prefer humidity to be above 45% in the air. And that's where I'll leave this video. I hope that this video gave you the knowledge and skills that you need to go forth and prevent browning edges. If you'd like me to know what you thought of this video, please feel free to hit the like button and leave a comment below. I also invite you to subscribe to Scott Grows an Avocado Tree for more avocado and plant growing content, and I'm on Instagram at Scott Grows an Avocado Tree. If you want to see more of my videos that are on a more general topic, check out my second channel, That's Pretty Cool, where I cover all kinds of topics that fill me with a sense of curiosity and wonder. Thanks again for watching, take care, and I will see you next time.
Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree.